Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's nightgown outfit on Dress to Impress, the one she wears. I don't know which song she sings when she wears this, but we're going to use this outfit here, and then we're going to do top only and no sleeves, and we're just going to color it using this color for all of it. And then we're going to use this code item, this one, and we're going to only do just the sleeves in that same color. The color I'm using is C3ECEE. Sorry. And then I am going to use this one. You do need VIP for this fit. Like that. And then for the VIP section, we are going to use this, and we're going to do the no corset and fur toggle, and we're going to again color it the same. Like so. I think I'm just going to make that matte so it blends in with the rest. Except for that one, maybe. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I am going to add this for more texture. And then I'm going to put on these stockings, as well as these. They kind of don't look as good anymore. So I'm gonna just do, actually I think I'm gonna just remove that and just be barefooted. I don't know if the thing still works. Okay, it doesn't work anymore. It used to work perfectly, but I'm gonna just leave it as is, and I'm going to get a microphone and I'm going to color it that color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.